This is Cyndy G, and in this video we're assembling the Mushroom House box card, pop-up card. Set my little pieces aside. So I've got my base. I've already put my panels on. And now I'm just going to finish prepping it. You're going to fold your pieces. Fold this down and then fold this back up. We're making this 1/4 inch space that we're going to glue to the inside of the card. Okay. Put glue on this 1/4 inch space and just glue it right down inside. This helps the card stay open when you push it open. I have to just hold this a few seconds because it's thick and you want to make sure it just gets stuck down. I am using a quick dry glue. So if you're not, you'll have to hold it longer or put some clips on it to hold it, whatever you do to get these to glue down for you. Okay, there we are. And now we'll just set that aside. And we're going to work on the mushroom. Now this piece, the base piece, is doubled, and I've already glued it together. And now here are all of the little pieces. The front porch lights are smaller than I thought they were, but they are still manageable. So for your window, you'll just glue your light behind the piece with a cross. And then this piece is the framing of the window, or the trim. There we are. And then for your door, you're just going to kind of eyeball so that you have a nice border all the way around. Now let's work on our mushroom. To line this up, you're going to line it up around the base of the mushroom because you are going to have a slight edge around, okay? And I want to cut some pieces of foam tape and get this to pop up a little. gonna just overdo it a little bit. Okay, I think that's gonna work well. All right, and then just line that up there to the top. Okay, put on our door. You're just centering this in there. Just kind of eyeball it. And then your porch lights, one for each side. And then your dormer window. Stuck to my finger. There we go. Now we'll just place this on the base. Okay. Now let's pull in our mushrooms. I've already glued this piece on. This piece has both mushroom tops. And then you'll just have that one. I inked the edges on that a little bit to help it out. And then this is going to glue right in here to our foliage. And this is going to glue like right in here. The other one I did like this, the mushroom, I did design it to have the mushroom hanging over the fence, okay? But it was getting hung up on the card when it opened and closed. So this time I'm making the mushroom level with that. Okay, now this one These pieces are a little bit small, but I think they're still workable. So you can see here, we're just going to put this one here. Now, if you don't want to add this detail, you could leave this off and just put the mushroom caps on. And then you're going to glue this onto oh no, is this grass, leaves, and then we're going to put this on the fence. So just going to put glue here on the 2 fence posts to hold it in place. There we have it. Okay, so now let's pull in our card, and these mushrooms slide into this front piece and then down into the bottom. And we're going to flip it over. Fold this tab up. And glue it in place. Okay. Now we're going to do the mushroom, and it goes in the center fold. Okay, and we are going to just put glue. I'm going to put this here so you can see. We're going to just put glue on this tab. That might be too much. We'll see. And we're going to just glue this right to the tab. And we're going to lift this one. We're going to put glue on it as well and glue it to the top tab. Now you're only putting glue on this center piece here. Whoops. You only want to glue it to the center. And then when you push this up, you will see that you've just glued it only to the center piece. Okay, and your card should go up and down when you push it. Now we're going to glue these tabs to this. Okay, so we're going to put glue on this one. And this one. Okay. Bring this over. and glue these together. And then we're going to check it. When we push it up, we can see that the card is operating the way that it should. So we're going to glue it shut. And this is the mushroom pop-up card. Thank you for joining me.